Welcome back. Now we look at a sampling distribution. Specifically, we will be concentrating on the sampling distribution of this sample mean. So what is a sampling distribution? Well, it's just the distribution of a sample statistic. So whatever the statistic is, it is the distribution of that statistic. As an example, let's say, let's go back to the example of height. So let's say the variable x is denoting height, and so let's say we are looking at the we are looking at a population. Let's say the males in Sri Lanka again, and we are interested in studying their height, and so here x1, x2, xn, they are random variables associated with a sample of size n, and so then we can calculate x bar, which is the mean or the average of these of the measurements in the sample. So you have x1 plus x2 plus da 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 xn divided by n, and that's the sample mean. Now notice that x bar is a random variable, and its distribution is called the sampling distribution of the sample mean. So once again, recall that x1, x2, xn, these are observations associated with a sample. So here's a picture to explain that. So you're picking samples of size n, let's say. So from the population, you can pick many different samples of size n, and for each sample you pick, you can calculate the sample mean for that sample. So you can see that the sample mean is going to vary from sample to sample. So you can think of that as a random variable, and so it has a distribution, and that's called the sampling distribution of the sample mean. Okay, so I'm going to end the video here, and in the next video we will be talking about the sample mean as an estimator of the population mean.